What is data analytics and ways to use data analytics? Companies around the globe generate vast volumes of data daily, in the form of log files, web servers, transactional data, and various customer-related data. In addition to this, social media websites also generate enormous amounts of data. Companies ideally need to use all of their generated data to derive value out of it and make impactful business decisions. Data analytics is used to drive this purpose. Data analytics is the process of exploring and analyzing large datasets to find hidden patterns, unseen trends, discover correlations, and derive valuable insights to make business predictions. It improves the speed and efficiency of your business. Businesses use many modern tools and technologies to perform data analytics. This is data analytics for beginners, in a nutshell. Ways to use data analytics. Now that you have looked at what data analytics is, let's understand how we can use data analytics. Improved decision making. Data analytics eliminates guesswork and manual tasks. Be it choosing the right content, planning marketing campaigns, or developing products. Organizations can use the insights they gain from data analytics to make informed decisions, thus, leading to better outcomes and customer satisfaction. Better customer service. Data analytics allows you to tailor customer service according to their needs. It also provides personalization and builds stronger relationships with customers. Analyzed data can reveal information about customers' interests, concerns, and more. It helps you give better recommendations for products and services. Efficient operations. With the help of data analytics, you can streamline your processes, save money, and boost production. With an improved understanding of what your audience wants, you spend lesser time creating ads and content that aren't in line with your audience's interests. Effective marketing. Data analytics gives you valuable insights into how your campaigns are performing. This helps in fine-tuning them for optimal outcomes. Additionally, you can also find potential customers who are most likely to interact with a campaign and convert into leads.